핸디캡 감무신지 시식이 그만 한번 판마가 보이기 전부터 고모도 흘리게
And I'm a local guide here. Very nice to meet you. Thank you very much for your visit Handicapped and Handicraft Factory. Opened in 1976, our factory belongs to the Department of War Victims and Handicapped People. We sell the job for a lot of handicapped people and who are affected from Asian origin. So step by step, owned by hand, no machine. We make traditional art of Vietnam by lacquer products. Say no with plastic or chemical painting. Everything used natural material. And now let's follow me to have a look at the factory. Okay, this way. So first, I'd like to show you this design. It's very Vietnam, very beautiful, and also our bestseller picture here. This is traditional Vietnamese dress. The name is áo dài. Áo means a shirt and dài means long, a long shirt. And the painting is a late eggshell, seashell, and hand painting together. They paint red because red in Vietnam is the lucky and happiness color. And the meaning of this picture is about the relationship between the teacher and students. Because students in Vietnam wear the white áo dài to go to high school as a uniform. And the teachers in the middle can wear many colors. But like I said, we choose the right one because it's from rosewood. One of the most strong wood in Vietnam can be with different weather. Especially its cover with 24 layers of the black liquid called lacquer. So it's a custom for all of countries. It's a little bit different. It's not exactly the same.
What is it?
Egg. We use duck egg instead of chicken egg because duck eggshell is stronger and thicker than chicken eggshell. The white is natural color and the brown one, we burn it. So for this step, should we break the eggshell one by one until it's broken and stick with the lacquer, the black liquid that I have mentioned. We take this one from a lacquer tree and mix with the castor oil. And we use it as a glue to stick eggshell and seashell all together. And this is a picture after laying. You can see the texture is really rough, not smooth at all. That's the reason why we still need to cover many layers of lacquer on the top of the picture. And we polish with water by wetstone and sandpaper to make it smooth. And now let's go on to the next step, please. I'd like to show you about the eyes, nose, teeth, and claws of the tiger, which made from the seashell one. We only use seashell because we have any color and rainbow. So for this step, we put the seashell in the knife to separate layers. In this step, we need a lot of patience because we do quickly, this one can be break. And when we have a detail like this, we stick them together and it lay on the wood by the lacquer. But the seashell, it just rocked like the eggshell. So we still need to continue polishing and then cutting.
Congrats.
Layers of lacquer on the picture. Then we dry it under the sunshine for a few days. After that, we will continue to stay using the hand for the polishing. Water and water and use hand. Mix and stuff together and cover. These are some finished products. More shiny to more shiny. We don't everything use the towel to shine because the dust on the pan or in the towel. Pepper like that, you can have proper spout here. Like today, he's shiny and play eggshell and seashell. His position will change every day. Just have no problem, don't worry about that. And you can see the picture after 5 step is really shiny. Like this. And everything here, we don't sell outside, we don't sell online. We only display and sell it here for who come and understand the value of handmade artwork. That's why we really appreciate your visiting. And now you can have a look at the showroom. But